Joining me right now is the Chairman and CEO of Merck, Ken Frazier, who we want to focus with on policy with. Ken, it's good to see you.
It's always a pleasure to be here, Maria.
Thank you so much for joining us. So we were talking about the president's agenda. You actually resigned from President Trump's Manufacturing Council last year in the wake of the protests that turned violent in Charlottesville, Virginia. Have you spoken with the president? Where does your relationship stand with the commander-in-chief these days?
I haven't spoken with President Trump, but at Merck, we want to work with people both on the congressional side and on the administration side to do what's best for patients going forward. What's important is we're at a really important juncture in science. We have great new products coming to market, and the administration, through Scott Gottlieb, our FDA commissioner, is doing things to get products to people who need them quicker. That's what we want to focus on.
So he is moving products along faster.
Absolutely, including, by the way, importantly, generic products, because that's what creates the price competition that drives down healthcare costs.
That's a great point, Ken, and that's what I want to ask you about in terms of growth, in terms of pricing. These are two of the biggest issues in your industry right now. What are you expecting this year?
Well, I think, first of all, people have to look at the facts. Last year, pricing for branded products increased only 3.5%. It's actually the slowest growth we've seen in many, many years. The challenge is, while the rebates that are intensively negotiated between pharmaceutical companies and people in the supply chain, insurance companies and PBM, are increasing. By the way, they nearly doubled between 2013 and 2015. The problem is, the cost to the patient at the counter is increasing at a much faster rate.
Why?
So we have this situation right now where the rebates that are being negotiated are not being passed through, which is different with respect to, for example, in-network hospitalization or physician visits. Those negotiated savings are passed on to the patient. So we have this incongruous situation now where patients are not getting the benefit of the negotiated discounts. So while the prices are not increasing, the costs, the co-pays, the co-insurance for patients are increasing.
This is a really important point that you're making. Thank you for explaining it so well for our viewers. Let me ask you about two incredible franchises that you have at Merck. First of all, the diabetes franchise with Januvia, the cancer franchise, oncology with Keytruda. Where are we in the fight against cancer, number one? Tell us about Keytruda and what you're trying to affect there. So
this is a very hopeful time in the fight against cancer. The American Cancer Society put out data recently showing that the death rate from cancer has declined by 25% since 1991. And a large part of that is the effective treatments that we have. The kinds of precision treatments that get to the right patients for things like lung cancer, for colorectal cancer, for breast cancer. These are leading killers, prostate cancer. Keytruda is foundational now in the treatment of cancer. We're the only product that's approved for first line, that is, for newly diagnosed lung cancer patients. And the outcomes that we have, both as monotherapy and in combination with chemotherapy, have just been incredible.
Wow. And you've got such an incredible performance with this drug. But people want to know if you need to make that business bigger. You've got a tax plan here, which is putting more money in your pockets in terms of corporates. Are you going to use that money to do a deal this year?
Well, let me say that I think the most important thing about the tax plan is it puts American companies, including American pharmaceutical companies, on an even playing field with our outside U.S. competition.
Yeah, you've been talking about this for years.
That's really important. With respect to the money that can be repatriated at reasonable rates, I don't think it's going to change our strategy on M&A or on business development. We've always been a company that's looking for good science. We've looked for bolt-on acquisitions that would actually allow us to innovate more. I don't think that that's really going to change our strategy because, you know, before in the United States, we had access to enough capital to do the kinds of deals that Merck was looking for.
Okay, that's a fair point. But the last time you and I spoke, we were in an environment where biotechs were soaring. And I remember you and I joking about how expensive biotechs had become. Now, they've come down a bit. Is it now a better time for you to acquire a biotech and make that oncology business bigger?
Well, we're going to continue to look at it on a case-by-case basis. We recently announced the acquisition of a small biotech that has a very promising medicine in oncology. So we'll continue to look for those opportunities, but we also want to do it in a financially disciplined way.
And what does that mean, financially disciplined?
Well, I think valuations have to be consistent with creating long-term value for your shareholders. If you overpay for an asset, it's pretty hard to make money on it.
Right, and how could you not overpay when prices are up significantly right now?
Well, I think it's a case-by-case basis. With that particular deal, we found a good opportunity. We also had a great deal last year with AstraZeneca for a drug called Lynparza, which is approved for ovarian cancer. It's under review now for breast cancer, metastatic breast cancer. That was a responsible deal for both parties. We paid a certain amount up front, $1.5 billion, and 3/4 of the payment are actually tied to sales milestones or approval milestones. Those are the kinds of deals that we think create value for shareholders.
What are you going to do about Januvia going off patent in 5 years? You're going to have to do something. Is there a replacement that can take the place of this incredibly powerful diabetes drug?
So first of all, in diabetes, we just got approval for our SGLT2, ertugliflozin, which can be used in combination with Januvia. So as we look forward, we're looking to, depending on outcome studies and how the field develops, we believe that that drug in combination with Januvia will be an important asset. And remember, diabetes is a very important cost driver for the system. So we're looking forward to that combination helping us with Januvia. And then beyond that, Keytruda will continue to grow. Our vaccines business continues to grow. We're really excited about having a pneumococcal conjugate vaccine for pneumonia. There are lots of things in the pipeline.